In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do keyword research for SEO using Semrush, helping you to rank number 1 on Google. To start, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Semrush website. Semrush is a great tool for data-driven marketing, providing various insights to grow your business effectively. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login option, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click it to enter your credentials and access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to consider signing up to take advantage of Semrush's comprehensive tools. After logging in, head back to the Semrush homepage to locate the main dashboard. This is where you manage all your projects and conduct various types of research. The interface can be a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll navigate through it step by step. Once you're on the home screen, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar, where you'll see various tool categories. Here, click on the SEO section, which will expand into more specific options that cater to different aspects of search engine optimization. Next, select the Keyword Research tab. This is one of the most powerful features offered by Semrush. It allows you to explore a wealth of keyword data, essential for crafting effective SEO strategies. This step is crucial because effective keyword research is the backbone of SEO. It helps you understand what your audience is searching for and how you can rank your content to meet those queries. Once inside the keyword research section, you're going to click on the Keyword Overview tool. This is an invaluable feature that provides a comprehensive breakdown of any keyword you're interested in. It will offer insights such as the keyword's search volume, competitive difficulty, and trends over time. When you arrive at the Keyword Overview page, you'll find a search bar where you can enter a keyword you'd like to explore. Type in a word or phrase relevant to your niche or business and hit enter. The tool will then generate detailed statistics and data about that keyword, allowing you to gauge its potential effectiveness for your SEO campaigns. To sum it up, by using Semrush and following these steps, you'll gain access to essential data that can drive your website to the top of search engine results. Effective keyword research is essential for successful SEO, and Semrush provides all the tools you need to perform it efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a newcomer looking to enhance your SEO strategy, these steps will place you on the path to achieving higher visibility and ranking on Google. Thank you for watching.